Carp has a lot of nutrients. Carp meat is also easy to eat and very delicious. You can fry, boil, steam, cook, or bake depending on your favorite menu. And today, carp will be combined with mushrooms, fennel, tomatoes, and some other spices. It is sure to be a nutritious and delicious dish. First, with the carp, we will cut it into small pieces. After cutting, it will be fried with cooking oil. Pay attention to the soup, don't let the fish get too burnt. Then we take the fish out and set it aside. Cooking oil used to fry fish will be poured into a cup. We will use it for cooking later. Next, we will prepare some more ingredients. Chop onions and garlic. Chop fennel. Chop mushrooms. Chop tomatoes and discard the seeds. We will reuse the cooking oil that has been fried fish. Add the tomatoes to make the sauce. Add some water. Add some broth mix. Add a little monosodium glutamate. Add some fish sauce. Now we put the fish in to fry. Pour the sauce over the fish and let the seasonings permeate the fish. Add king oyster mushroom first. Then add enoki mushroom and fennel. Now, wait for the mushrooms to be ready to eat. This is a dish that is also very easy to cook. The ingredients are also very easy to find. Hope you will make it yourself and enjoy it. For now, say goodbye and see you soon.